All right, the drink we're about to make is called Painkiller. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass, and we'll measure out 1/4 of the glass with rum. So we should have just enough here. Oh, we got plenty. And next we'll add 1/4 of a glass of cream of coconut. Go ahead and pour that in. That should be enough. And 1/3 of a glass of pineapple juice. Okay. Healthy splash of orange juice. That is a healthy splash. And next we will just go ahead and mix it up. Make sure you get that cream of coconut blended in with everything else. All right. Let's get our glass and pour it in. And we're going to sprinkle some nutmeg. And give it a cherry. And that's it. That is a Painkiller. Should be a nice fruity drink. Bottoms up.